topic I should learn and which topic I should not learn. That what are the trending topic and from where you are getting high weightage, where you are getting low weightage, what are the units you should focus more, what are the units you can focus less, what are the units you have to learn in detail, what are the units you can go for selective way. These all things I am going to tell you here. So first of all, first revision, this is your high priority unit 8, that is TOC and compiler. Most of you are ignoring it. I am telling you, TOC and compiler, very confirmed topic, repeated area, confirmed topic, repeated area, scoring marks. With less time you can get more marks and less effort also. If your understanding clear, then easily you will be able to solve those questions. That's why must revise. Unit 5, operating system, repeated question, same area, operating system. Unit 9, your computer network. This is also repeated area. Some areas are there from where you are getting always question. Unit 10, AI, trending area, highly trending area. That's why AI definitely. Unit 4, DBMS, and Unit 2, computer architecture. These are the units should be your highest focused unit, and here we can predict the question. In Unit 10, little bit unpredictable, but still some predictable area is there. I will show you what are the predictable area. Now you see that Unit 7 and Unit 6. Unit 7 is your DS algo. Nowadays weightage is more. But sometimes you are feeling little bit difficulty. That's why next priority I am giving Unit 7. Unit 6 is software engineering, which is really very scoring area. But nowadays, like some other questions also they are asking. But next priority. First, this is the high priority, because marks is more here. Next, selective area, Unit 3 and Unit 1. These two units are very much selectively you have to go as per your understanding level, as per your capability, because these two is, one is math, another is programming. Computer graphics weightage is very less, 2 to 3 questions, mainly in Unit 3 programming, output related questions, and object oriented programming theory. That is very easy and scoring. Unit 1 also very good questions are coming, like propositional logic, predicate logic, set relation, LPP. These are confirm area, I will show you. So selectively if you go, then you can score. Everything no need to do. Selective area. Most common type of question nowadays they are asking assertion region, matching, arranging, like sequence question, and conceptual MCQ. Nowadays pattern is conceptual MCQ. Here you see what are the topics in Unit 8 based on and where JRF, those who are going for this. Unit 8 TOC compiler, as I told, this is faster raising, and here numerical based question, but paper is dominating with pattern recognition. Numerical are coming, but less numerical, more concept application and pattern recognition. That type of question nowadays. JRF don't ignore this. OI, TOC, OS, CN and DBMS. For JRF these topics are most important topic. Now you see here all this one by one. What are the topic list you should not miss? Theory of computation, 16 to 20% marks is covering here. 16 to 20% from this small area. Here is only the small area. From this small area only you are getting it, right? DFA, NFA, PDA, CFG, pumping lemma, nowadays very much they are repeating, regular expression, lexical analysis, parsing. Small area, repeated questions. If you are covering this, 100% sure you are getting question from here. One time Turing, 1 or 2 times they ask Turing machine, but most repeated area I am telling you. Okay. Here you are coming to the operating system. Operating system, CPU scheduling, disk scheduling, deadlock, synchronization, memory management, Linux, RTOS, security related. This is the area. Networking, OSI, TCP, IP, layer related question to confirm. Protocol, layer, devices, confirm topic. Routing, error control, CSMA, very important. Congestion control, access control, CSMA CD, repeated question. TCP congestion, TCP header, TCP, UDP header, all that. Cryptography, and some questions are coming from cloud computing nowadays. Database, SQL, relational algebra, serializability, normalization, data mining, big data. These are the topic they are repeating. So must cover this topic. Next one, AI. AI, mostly agent, Turing machine, planning, NLP, fuzzy, genetic algorithm, ANN, machine learning. These are the topic repeated question nowadays, and this is the trending area. If you cover this area, means you are getting score. After that, unit 7, data structure algorithm. Tree, always you are getting question. Tree, graph, hashing, sorting, greedy algorithm. Sometimes dynamic algorithm also. Complexity, recurrence relation using master theorem. Must do and go, you will get question 100%. Software engineering, most important chapter is testing. Always you are getting question. COCOMO model, cohesion coupling, process model, that is SDLC model, and project risk related numerical, project estimation related numerical, and quality assurance, quality control, those related questions. Very, very important. I am making crisp syllabus for you. Those who did not learn anything, at least learn this topic. At least you will get some question 100%. Computer architecture, number system. Every time you are getting 1 to 2 questions from number system. Addressing mode, RISC, CISC, pipeline, DMA, interrupt, cache. Very small area. You just cover and go, you will get question. Instruction cycle, addressing mode. Programming language and graphics. Here mostly focusing on C, C++, mostly C programming, pointer concept, loop, static variable, global variable, for loop, while loop. These basic programming they are giving and they are asking. Sometimes they are giving statement and they are asking. C++, object oriented programming concept, framed function, virtual function, pure virtual function, inheritance, polymorphism. 100% you are getting question from here. File handling, nowadays they started asking. Transformation, file handling, and transformation, clipping, rendering. This is the topic from computer graphics which is repeated they are asking. 2D transformation, 3D transformation, out of that scaling, clipping, those topic. And next one is discrete math. In discrete math, if you are doing propositional logic, predicate logic, 4 to 5 question you are getting from here. Set and relation, 3 to 4 question. After that, probability, permutation, combination, if you can do 2 to 3 questions, sometimes they are asking. Graph theory, always 1 to 2 question. Boolean algebra, very scoring area. Very scoring, always you are getting question. LPP is trending now. Formulation of LPP, graphical solution, and part CPM. Trending area. They are asking question, already comprehension question they asked 2 times. So this is your unit 1. These are the topic must cover. If you are not covering anything else, don't skip any single unit. From each and every unit, first priority is this topic I have to cover. Where is that? Go to course and all that are available. You know, each and every folder wise you are getting this topic. This all the topics are done. Whatever if 1 or 2% topic is not done, I am there, I will cover it. Maximum topic we have done. Most important observation is memory based learning nahi chalega. If you are going with memory based learning, you cannot qualify the exam. I will memorize the answer, I will memorize the PYQs. You can't. Anyhow you can't qualify. So whatever you are learning, you have to go with conceptual learning. Very, very important. Conceptual understanding. All the questions are coming from conceptual understanding. That's why you have to go with concept based learning. Okay. And next thing is application based question, interdisciplinary question, because DBMS with AI. DBMS is related with AI, Hadoop, data warehouse, data mining, those cloud computing related, distributed networking with AI, distributed operating system with AI. They are merging this concept with AI. That's why they are making this type of question. So this is the trend now. You have to cover those type of area. Application based, very, very important. Not only, yes, I know this theory, no. Where is the application? Application oriented question they are making. And analytical reasoning, assertion reasoning, analytical reasoning power. They are trying to judge. So you should not leave the ML and AI. You have to do. There is, previously it was like that, AI question was less, but nowadays as trend is AI, we can't. So everywhere they are merging this topic, and everywhere, each and every question they are understanding that you are able to do the pattern matching or not. That's why they are making the question trend like this way. Okay. And finally you can go for the weightage. These are the high weightage subject. As per I told you, theory of computation, high weightage. These are high weightage, pumping lemma and all. Must cover this topic, important area. This is CPU scheduling, high weightage, critical, all this subject, thrashing, deadlock. Last minute you can go for this round robin, and important formulas here. WSI model, what are the topics of networking? These are the topics of networking, must cover this topic. Important formulas for networking, mostly numerical questions are coming from these formulas. Database, these are the areas what you have to cover in database. Serializability. AI, these are the area. Turing test, game planning, knowledge representation, strip, NLP, fuzzy, and genetic algorithm. And neural network, you see supervised, semi-supervised, overfitting, these topics. Here also the formula, some formula related, because in AI also you are getting numerical, this type of numerical question you are getting. Data structure, algorithm, array, linked list, BST, hashing, this topic, don't miss this topic. These are some formulas where repeated questions you are getting, like complexity related question. Software engineering, these are the models, cohesion coupling, SRS, testing and quality control, quality assurance, risk analysis. And these are the some formulas of your software engineering. Next one, you see computer architecture, this is the area, and these are the topic list what you have to cover. And this is your last minute notes where you have to prepare these notes and these formulas for your numerical. Mostly they are asking numerical from these formulas. Here also programming related, you can see these are programming related where you have to focus, and computer graphics related. For last minute revision, these are the some formulas you can focus on. Propositional logic, predicate logic for paper 1. Unit 1, paper 1 not, unit 1, what are the areas, last minute revision where you have to focus. And this is, you see the final list, what type of question they ask from the most expected area. MCQ based, assertion reason based, arranging question, conceptual question. From here you got statement type, matching, MCQ, conceptual and numerical. Here output and formula, here conceptual and numerical. Okay, these are the topic from where you got the assertion reason question maximum. OS, AIML, cryptography, TOC, networking, software engineering, these are the area from where you got assertion reason more. And these are some important formulas from where repeated questions you are getting. Bayes theorem, inclusion, exclusion, graph edge, tree, speed up, average memory, pipeline formula, CPU time, 2D scaling, that is graphics rotation, slope, support. Nowadays from data mining topic, these are all data mining topic. Round robin time, turnaround time for the CPU scheduling, waiting time, response time, CPU utilization, cyclomatic complexity in the software engineering, COCOMO model, development time, productivity time, binary search, complexity related, mart sort, complexity related, quick sort, master theorem, must cover the master theorem, regular language, closure property, union, intersection, concatenation, these are most important. Then go for this CFG derivation, leftmost, rightmost derivation, parser, compiler flow, very important. Number of subset, how many subsets are possible, like that type of questions. Host per node, because networking related, this is also all the networking related. Fuzzy set questions, genetic algorithm, numerical. These are the all formula what you have to remember. Okay. And finally, I will say don't skip this list. Final list. At least don't skip this topic list. I prepared the topic list after analysis only. Each and every topic is highly important. Finally, you have to cover this all the list here. And everything 99% coverage we have done in this PET course. Whatever till now not done, I am there to cover. Don't worry about that. But whatever done, 99% we have done. You go to the course, go to the folder, search the topic, complete the topic. Till now time is there. With only PYQs, with only shortcut, you can't qualify. And I am giving you guarantee, those who will cover this topic, all topic, 100% they will be able to qualify the exam with good score, because 300 out of 300 not required. If you are getting more than 200 score also, it is more than enough to get JRF. 210, 230 is very good score, right? So maximum out of 150 question, if you are able to solve 100 to 115 question, remaining question I am not able to do, it's okay. I did not learn, it's okay. So selectively be selective before exam, but wherever you are selective, confirm those topic. 100% after coming back from exam hall, you check with this PDF, you just mark it. Yes, how many questions came from here? It is my guarantee. I'll print it. But do it. And finally, if you want a structured way, that yes, all this topic here and there you will search, where is the question, where is the topic, how I can cover, then definitely you can come for our course. In that course, you are getting everything together. This is the course. If you come to this course, you can see here it is showing 1999. This is the price for 2 months, because your exam is starting for 20th December. So 20th December to 30th December. You can go for 1 month also with 999. If you pay this 999, you will buy now. If you click on buy now, you will be able to see the option 2 month, 1 month, 6 month. You can choose the 1 month plan, 999 rupees. After choosing that plan, 99% of this topic are done. Subject wise folder is there. Conceptual class is there. With 2x speed, 3x speed you can watch. You can download the PDF of the concept. You can go through it. PYQs, we have done topic wise all the PYQs. Even also 2018 to 2025, all the PYQs PDF accessible inside the app. It is not downloadable, but concept PDF, concept with question, downloadable. You can download, you can practice, you can attempt the test series, and most important, you can come to the live class. Every day I am taking live, you can interact with me. That is your choice. Only 999 rupees last month. If you are investing also, I hope it will be beneficial, because it will save your time. whatever I have shown after the analysis, you know, you are able to understand. If for the analysis, if I am giving that much time, means whenever I have taken the course, whenever I have taken the class, according to PYQS only, selectively topic we are doing, basic concept to advanced level in depth study with the questions we have done. Those all recording you can access in this 1 month. It is your choice, you can go ahead with this. And free classes are also available in this YouTube channel. 45 days free course, PYQS course, most expected questions, and nowadays I am uploading the shorts videos also, that is also there. So if you definitely you can follow, so that you can get it. At least subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with me, because free of cost also so many classes are available. You can get it here. So many playlists are available. At least do those playlists, and daily you will get this topic oriented small videos and questions also. So that's why stay tuned. All the best. Thank you.